Hi guys, I got bored tonight and I was gonna throw this Macmini away, but I decided tear it down. I always wondered how they got everything in there, and now I know. The back of the Macmini is a cutout. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth receiver, transmitter probably, Wi-Fi antenna. I tore pretty much everything up. I wasn't gonna keep this. This was just out of pure curiosity. There's the cooling element. The fan. I don't remember where this went. But this probably blew air out of here. And into here, which goes over into these channels. To probably, I'm guessing this is the GPU and the CPU and exhaust, so it blows. As you can see, it blows air out of there. And there's a 2.5 hard drive, which I'm going to destroy. There's all the screws that came out of there. Damn, these engineers they must have had like 20 engineers working on this, because I think I used over 5 or 6 bits just to get this open. So stupid. So what I used was a pry bar from iFixit. There's another pry bar. The bit set that I use. And my handy dandy 25-year-old Leatherman. Anyway, that was fun. It was fun taking it apart. Just thought you guys might wanna see it. Interesting. This is kind of how I learn hardware. Like tearing it down and putting it back together. Except this one is not being put back together. This is heading for the trash. Well, this I gotta destroy the data on here. Anyway, enjoy.